Hi everyone, good morning or hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to do a slip knot in different way. Okay, just using your hand, not using anything. It's just yarn and your hand. Okay, so first thing is you can create, so this one is your tail and this one is your working yarn and this is your tail. So hold that and create a circle just like this, and this is your working yarn. And then from there is you're going to insert your finger into inside the circle that you created, and you are going to grab this working yarn and pull up to the top just like this, and then you're going to pull it tight, and there you go, you have your slip knot. And if you're going to pull this, and you can loosen and you can tighten it up. So with this one is this is working. If you pull this part here, so this one is connected to your working yarn, and you can go tighten and loosen. Okay, just like that. Okay, so that is the first step. And then the second step is you create your loop over there. So the working yarn is the bottom and your tail is on the top, and you create a circle, and you're going to pull this and insert your fingers into from the bottom up, and you're going to grab this working yarn like that and pull this both loop like that, and you created your slip knot. And then this is you can tighten it up and loosen it up, and this is how you create your slip knot. Okay, so that is the second option. And the third one is you wrap around your finger like that. Okay, like this. And so X into the front and into the back, then you're going to insert your finger from the bottom and pull down, and this is your slip knot. Okay, and you can tighten it up, loosen it up, and tighten it up. And the way that I make mine is this way. So I'm still holding my tail and wrapping into my finger like that. So X over here, and then I pull and make my circle there. And now I'm going to take this and insert into the circle and up and pull. That is how I make my slip knot. Okay, so this when you hold it, and then you can tighten it up and loosen it up like that. Okay, so hopefully guys this makes or it helps you Okay, so if you want me to do it again, so this is my way. Okay, wrap around your finger and cross here, and then after that take this working yarn and insert from the bottom up, and then you're going to pull it over here, and you created your slip knot. And then you can tighten it up and loosen it up. And the other one is you hold like this, wrap and go into the back and insert and pull. Okay, so you go from the first and then you grab the second one and then pull like that. Or if you want, you can create like this. That's your circle, and insert so your tail is on the top, and insert your finger and grab your yarn over here, holding this tail and holding the yarn and pull through like that, and you created your slip knot. There is a lot of ways that you can use, but for myself, using my hand, I do this. So that is 3 steps that I use for making a slip knot. Okay guys, so hopefully guys you find this helpful, and if you do, please leave a like, share my video, it will help me a lot. And if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more tutorial. Okay, so looking forward to seeing you guys next video. Thank you guys, have a great day, and bye.